Assalamu alaikum, this is Amer Qureshi. Thank you for joining me for my video blog. This is part 2 of Presenting with Impact, where I'll give you some more advice and ideas on how to make impactful presentations. One of the key aspects of successful presentations is the use of your voice. आप अपनी आवाज़ को किस तरह से इस्तेमाल करते हैं. When you watch Hollywood and Bollywood actors and even Lollywood actors, they create a huge impact with the way they use their voice and the tone of their voice. So in a presentation too, you have the opportunity to use your voice. आप उसकी pitch को vary कर सकते हैं, आप उसकी level of sound को vary कर सकते हैं, so that the audience remains engaged and interested all of the time. अगर आप एक ही pace पे बोलते जाते हैं, तो the audience tends to lose interest. So it's important to vary the tone and the pitch of your voice during the presentation. इसके साथ साथ you have to be mindful of the rate of speech. यानी कि आप बहुत तेज़ी से तो नहीं बोल रहे या बहुत आहिस्ता नहीं बोल रहे. You need to make sure you maintain a steady speed. लेकिन from time to time, you can actually vary that as well. Most of us, when we're nervous, when we're anxious presenting in front of people, we tend to speak too fast. So it's important कि आप consciously अपनी rate of speech को कम रखें, so people can understand what it is that you're trying to say. Another important thing is understanding कि कौन सी ज़ुबान में आप प्रेजेंट करना चाहते हैं. Some of us are more comfortable speaking English और कुछ लोग उर्दू में ज़्यादा comfortable होते हैं. There is no law which says you have to present in English if you're more comfortable in Urdu. So अपनी जो comfortable जिस ज़बान में आप ज़्यादा comfortable हैं, make sure that you present in that particular language. And if for some reason you have to do it in the other language, then you have to do that much more practice. इसके साथ साथ अच्छे जो presenters होते हैं, they make effective use of pause. Pause during the presentation keeps the audience interested, keeps them focused on what you're going to say next. इससे और audience में एक enthusiasm सा आता है because they're hanging on every little word that you say. हमने पिछले वीडियो ब्लॉग में भी बात की थी and I want to emphasize the importance of eye contact. जब आप प्रेजेंट कर रहे होते हैं, one of the big no-nos is कि आप अपनी slides अगर हैं तो उसको literally पढ़ रहे हों. You're actually reading off the slides and not looking at the audience. First of all, you need to know the material so well कि आपको slides पे देखने की ज़रूरत ही ना पड़े. और दूसरा जो audience है उनके साथ आपको eye contact ज़रूर करना पड़ता है. उनकी तरफ देखना पड़ता है. उनके साथ थोड़ी देर के लिए आई कांटेक्ट रखना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. दैट वे यू कैन गेज कि क्या वो आपकी टॉक में इंटरेस्टेड हैं, आर दे अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट यू आर सेइंग, आर दे इंटरेस्टेड और नॉट. और अगर आपको फीडबैक मिलता है कि दे लूजिंग इंटरेस्ट, देन यू कैन चेंज योर स्टाइल, यू कैन चेंज टेक्निक्स, यू कैन आस्क क्वेश्चंस टू मेक श्योर कि पीपल स्टे फोकस्ड ऑन योर प्रेजेंटेशन. व्हेन यू एक्चुअली स्टार्ट द प्रेजेंटेशन, तो First few things are extremely important. How you actually get things started. उसके बारे में भी आगे जाके बात करते हैं. And then I'll talk about the no-nos and the noise. The no-nos are कि अगर आप presentation दे रहे हैं तो you need to stay away from some of the basic things which may cause offense to people. Jokes which can be offensive, talking about religious matters, talking about political situations can lead to many difficulties for you as a presenter and may upset some of your audience. So the idea is to steer clear of those most of the time. और कभी-कभी ऐसे होता है, there is background noise and you have to make sure कि that is taken care of before you launch into your presentation. जब आप शुरू करते हैं, it's important अगर आप किसी technical topic पे बात कर रहे हैं to establish your authority. So you need to introduce yourself, tell people what you have achieved, what your knowledge is, how much research you have done, ताकि आपकी credibility बन जाए. उसके साथ इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि शुरू में ही आप लोगों को बताएं what it is that you're going to be covering, what will be the 1 or 2 or 3 key takeaways जो आप उनको देंगे जिससे उनको फ़ायदा होगा. In other words, what is it that will keep them interested for the next 20 minutes or 15 minutes, जो कुछ भी आपके पास टाइम है, that they should listen to you. What will be the key takeaways? इसको अंग्रेजी में कहते हैं what's in it for me, यानी कि उनके लिए इसमें क्या है. So you need to get that across. और थोड़ा सा फिर इससे उनकी जो इंटरेस्ट और क्यूरियोसिटी होती है वो बढ़ जाती है. And let's now get to the starting of your presentation, जो starting point होता है. So first of all, it's important to greet the audience. You can say good morning, assalamu alaikum, whatever you feel comfortable with. My favorite greeting for starting a presentation is assalamu alaikum Pakistan. उसके साथ introduce yourself. If they don't know you, अगर आपकी introduction नहीं हुई, tell them who you are and what your qualifications are अगर एक technical किस्म की presentation है. And Talk to them about जो आपका topic है, what you're going to be covering, how long you're going to be speaking for approximately, and उसके बाद let them know whether you'll be taking questions during the presentation or at the end. This is something you need to decide, because अगर आपके पास limited time है, it's best to leave the questions till the end ताकि you can present the material and then comfortably answer the questions at the end. Well, I hope all of these ideas and tips and advice will help you to make impactful presentations. Thank you very much for joining me. This is Amer Qureshi. Till next time.